Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to talk about food in English. We'll start with basic taste words, then use them to describe real Thai dishes. Let's begin. Sweet, sugar, honey, banana. Sweet food has sugar. Sweet. Sour. Lime. Tamarind. Pineapple. Sour food tastes sharp. Sour. Spicy. Chili. Curry paste. Green curry. Spicy food feels hot. Spicy. Salty. Salt. Fish sauce. Dried fish. Salty food has a strong taste. Salty. Savory. Grilled chicken. Fried rice. Curry. Savory food is rich and full of flavor. Savory. Bitter. Bitter melon. Dark chocolate. Some herbs. Bitter food has a strong taste. Bitter. Now, let's practice full sentences. Repeat after me. Papaya salad is spicy, sour, and sweet. Mango sticky rice is sweet and soft. Tom yum is spicy, sour, and salty. Pad Thai is sweet, salty, and savory. Fried fish is crispy and savory. Green curry is creamy, spicy, and savory. Bittermelon soup is bitter and healthy. Well done! Now you can describe food in English. Try talking about your favorite dish today.